This is the rear view mirror removal and change on the 2010 Toyota Prius. This is generation 3. And if you're 6'2" or above, I'm 6'4", what you notice is when you drive, your rear view mirror, because of its location, pretty much blocks a big section of your view. If you wanted to see more, if I was shorter, if I scooted way down in my chair, then I have a normal view, and that'd be great. But for the taller people who are up here, now this is in your field of view, and what I'd like to do is just remove the mirror and take the mounting section here and move it up to about there, so the mirror will be more up in, instead of in this area, it would be more up in this area. So I'll still be able to see back, which is good, but it won't obstruct my vision. My line of sight will now be here, and the mirror will be above that. So we're going to go over how to do that.
If this video is helping you, please consider pressing down in the lower right hand corner of your screen the subscribe button, and that really helps our channel. Thanks.
So to get the mirror off so we can move the mounting bracket, what we're going to do is come in from behind. We're going to move the mirror toward the back of the car, and we use a standard head screwdriver to fit into this slot in the back. And I think we go in and then push down, and then we can move the mirror back, I believe. Let me try. So I'm going in close to the glass, and then I'm pushing down and pushing back. Yeah, there we go. And that's so I went in close to the glass, down, and then push back. And there's the mount. So we look at the mirror. When you're going in with your screwdriver, it's going on. You come in near the glass, and you're able to push this tab up. I can show you guys. So your screwdriver's coming like this, close to the glass, pushing up like that. And that lets it come free of this thing. So this is the modification on the rearview mirror on my 2010 Toyota Prius. So I'm 6'4", a little bit taller than they designed this car for. And the rearview mirror used to be mounted right here. And this is the little shoe that you use, a little metal shoe that you can clamp it on. And it was just a little too low. So when I would be looking at eye level, it used to be right here, so that if somebody was walking in front of the car right there, because my head is up so high, this mirror was blinding me, and I lost a big range of my forward view. So now I've raised it up by about 4 inches, get the mounting bracket higher up. And now it's really helped. I tried to remove the old one, but it's very difficult. I heated it up to try to break the adhesive, but used a little prying force. It actually chipped some of the glass on the inside. So I would recommend just leaving the old shoe there. It doesn't really block your view. If you notice, when you put your new rear view mirror in position and you look, you don't see that thing anyway. So it's not like it's obstructing your view right here. So I have really good rear view ability now, and I have a lot more forward view. This is the part number for that little shoe that you can buy. I'll put a link in the description below. But it's a replacement mirror bracket for Toyota. It's AGC35. It's pretty cheap. I think it was 14 bucks. But all you have to do is glue on the new shoe higher up, way up here, and that makes quite a difference. What I used to glue it on is this 3M product called High Bond Rearview Mirror Adhesive, and it comes with 2 parts. It takes about 15 minutes for it to really set up. You only have to hold it for about maybe a minute though for it to hold. But it comes in 2 parts. There's this part which has a little felt applicator, and you just put that onto the back of the metal shoe, and you also put a little bit onto the glass where you want it to connect. And you wait for 5 minutes, and then you put on 1 or 2 drops of this stuff onto the shoe, onto the metal bracket shoe, and then you just push that against the glass and hold it for about a minute or 2, and it sets up really good. And then you want to just leave it to harden, ideally overnight, and then you can take your rear view mirror and you can slide it down onto the bracket, down onto this piece that holds it, and you're all set. So if you are taller and drive a Prius and you want to have a better field of view, I think this is a really good solution.
Thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.